Shout out po sa inyo lahat guys. Nandito po ang ating beekeepers. Kasi napakaraming bee dito sa aming balcony. Ayan po yung bee under the chair. Kanina po, kung makikita nyo dun sa picture, mas mataas pa siya. Ngayon, nabawasan na. So, let's see how he will remove the bees. Oh, this morning, I throw the water on the plants, watering the garden, the water. But the bees flying, so I'm scared. So I go back inside of this house. Ayan. And then my mom call a beekeeper to fix it. I don't know if the queen bee is here. That's why they have lots. Okay. So I try to video. But now, before the bees until the top of the chair, now it's lesser. Oh, basta nabawasan. So I try to make a video how the beekeeper remove the bees from this balcony. It's so scary, you know. I never been bite by the bee. I don't want to make my face or my body become double size because of the bee. Oh, here we are. Here. Oh, shit. Also in the chair, there are lots. Oh, no. Yee, scary. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Let me zoom if I can do it. Oh, no. You know, yung balahibo ko tumataas. Grabe. Paano kanya niya makukuha? How can he take that all inside? Wait, I'm gonna go up a little bit because I cannot see it quietly, perfectly. Oh, is that the way how the bees goes? Oh, it's not scared. Ow. Oh, no. Oh, like that. Oh, it's flying all over. Oh, it's flying now. Oh my God, it's scary, right? But the man doesn't scare. He is not scared of it. Oh no. You see the bee is flying, guys. Too much. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no. Look at the bees. Alam nyo guys, never ako naka-experience na makakita ng too much bee. I never been experienced that one. Only today, in the morning. Kaya when I saw, I just ran. Oh, the bees on the chair all gone. Oh my God. I hope it will be gone. Because I don't wash clothes. No. Let's see, huh? In the picture a while ago, you see how many bees is there. And I don't know what is the cause why the bees is staying at our balcony. But as you can see in the other balcony, I think they don't have bees. Only in our balcony. So, you see? I think almost is kind of finish it all. So scary to see the bee, right? My skin is all up. Alam mo yun, para kang nakakita ng multo na tumaas yung mga balahibo mo. Oh, also the cats is watching. Oh. Watching what? Asa na yun? Nakasum pala. The cats is watching what the man's doing. You see? Then let's continue again. Almost na. Almost, guys. So many, right? So scary. The problem is, where's the bees came from? Saan nanggaling ang mga binato? Saan sila galing? Ano ang meron doon sa loob ng basket na yun? Bakit pumapasok ang mga bee? It's like parang if you go to the sea, you put some worm to catch the fish, right? Maglagay ka ng bulate para makahuli ka ng isda. Para kainin ng isda yung worm para mahuli mo. Ito, I don't know what's inside the basket, kung ano yung nasa loob ng basket para pumasok lahat ang mga bee so that the bee will go inside. I don't know. I'm just wondering what is inside. But when I pick the man, the beekeeper in the car park, just a normal one, normal basket. Ayan, matatapos ata. Kailangan talaga you wearing something like that so that the bee will not come to you. So scary. I saw one, I'm scared. It's too much. But bee can produce honey. I don't know how much we will pay him, but I think my boss will pay him. I don't know in how much. Because this man is a special one, not produced by the owner of this building. This one is personally called by my boss. So the price, the payment is different. I don't know magkano. Ayun. Ayan, hintayin natin siya. Pag mga batikan na, no, veterans in doing these things, it looks like easy. But if us, never been doing these things, oh my God, I think we're scared and our body is shaking. Right? Of course, I will not go outside. What if the bee come to me? Because I don't wear anything any protection. It looks like he's talking to the bee. Do you think the beekeeper is talking to the bee to go inside the basket? What do you think? Ayan, guys. Malinis na. I don't know if she found the queen bees. Is he really found the queen bee? Queen bee, queen bees, queen bee. Kakatakot. It's flying all over of him. It's still too much. Why not all coming? Ano kaya yung mga possibility? Bakit meron mga bee? Semento naman yung car balcony. Ayan o, matatapos na si kuya. Kaso lang he's not speaking English well. So hindi ko siya matatanong what is the cause of having this at the balcony, and then what is the prevention, yung para they will not come back again. I don't know because he doesn't speak well in good, just yes, no, and He smiled. So after this, I will let him call with my mom so that they can talk what is the possible things to do to avoid lots of bees, and what's the problem why the bees is stacking on here, you know. Peace, 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 peace. So tomorrow I have lots of clothes to wash because today I avoid washing clothes because I cannot put it outside. Because when I throw water to the plant, oh my God, they all flying. So I'm scared one of them will bite me and they will taste my blood is good. Joke. Mema lang. Mema sabi lang. Oh my God, my phone is low bat. Quickly, quickly, bee. No? But beekeeper is good, right? They're not scared. No? What's the problem? Or maybe we are very sweet. Is that you think that we are very sweet? That's why the bee come to us. Or maybe because I talk a lot of minty honey. Twinsy, minty honey. If you are watching or listening to this video, this is the honey we have to looking for. We are looking for the honey to put in our shaving. Minty honey, Twinsy, Twinsy, you. Here's the bee for our honey. And bone like it, like the honey in washing. Ay, in shaving pala. Sorry. Anyway, let's still waiting. Oh, I think almost. What happening to you? You also wants to see what happening outside. Huh? See, even the cats worried or looking what is happening to that. Ayan, oh, patapos na siguro si Kuya. Ayan, nakagat pa si Kuya. Nagtanggal kasi ng cover. Hindi pa naman tapos. Loko-loko talaga si Kuya. Suot mo muna kasi yan. Di pa tapos eh. Kakagatin ka lang ng mga bees. Ay, pasaway ka. Oy, meron pa eh. May konti-konti pa eh. Diba? Konti-konti pa eh. Dapat don't remove your protection. Ayun oh, yung mga bees nilagay niya na dun sa basket. Ayan, nililinis na ba o binabacuum ni Kuya yung mga bee? Kasi kaunti na lang naman. Ba't hindi binacuum kanina, no? I'm just wondering. Bakit hindi niya binacuum nung marami pa ang bee? Ay, pwede na akong lumapas, guys. Wala na. No more. No more. Oh, thank you, Lord. Where's the bee? You put inside? Oh. Oh, still have 2 bee, oh. They will not bite. Oh, this is all the bees, guys. He kept it there.
Okay.
Ayan. He's done. Are you done?
This
Oh, honey.
hen
Wow.
if you
From you? Wait, give to mom.
okay.
Wow, honey. Wow. Okay, thank you. Wait a